Hi everyone, Dr. Gustin here. Welcome to week number 5. This is a big week because it's your first week to have a lab practical. And the lab practicals are worth 45 points. Remember, we have 3 of them this semester, so this is the first of 3. You might have noticed the announcement that went out through in my CCC under announcements, and also an announcement I sent out, I think, on Friday that I said to notice that there are 2 lab practical reviews hosted by the Learning Commons. So if you missed those, they were Monday and Tuesday. It might be a little bit too late, but you can still email me or visit an office hour, and I'm glad to answer any questions you might have. But pretty much the lab practical is is a summary of the lab sheets you've had so far, week 1, 2, 3, 4, and you want to look at all the vocabulary words, the diagrams. Make sure you can label the diagrams like a flower and a stem and know the names of the parts and what they do. So even leaves, we learned some words about leaves and identifying trees, those kind of things. So look at all the diagrams, understand what you did in lab, and take the lab practical. And that's all we're going to do this week is a lab practical. So you're going to take the practical on Blackboard using HonorLock. So if you haven't tried HonorLock yet, please go to the HonorLock practice quiz posted under week 4. You need to try to do this well before the due date. The due date for the practical is the same due date for all your weekly assignments, Friday at 11:59 p.m. So try the HonorLock practice well before that so you can troubleshoot any problems that you have. If you can't get HonorLock to work, there is a phone number and a live chat that you can participate in. So make sure you give yourself time to do that. I have talked to the people in the live chat to solve a problem for a student once, and they were really helpful. So please give yourself plenty of time. If you need to talk to me, send me an email, stop by an office hour, and I'd be glad to help out. So good luck this week. All you have is a lab practical, and then you're free. Take care. See you week 6. See you week 6. Yeah.